Are you dreaming of studying in China with full financial support? Then the Chinese Government Scholarship, also known as the CSC Scholarship, could be your chance. What is the Chinese Government Scholarship? This prestigious scholarship is awarded by the Chinese Scholarship Council to international students wanting to pursue bachelor's, master's, PhD, or non-degree programs at Chinese universities. Tuition, accommodation, monthly allowance. The CSC scholarship is fully funded, which means 100% tuition fee coverage, on-campus accommodation or allowance, monthly stipend, undergraduates 2,500 yuan per month, master students 3,000 yuan per month, PhD students 3,500 yuan per month, medical insurance included. Eligibility: passport, degree, age. To apply, you must be a non-Chinese citizen with a valid passport. Different programs have age and degree requirements. For example, you usually need a bachelor's degree for master's programs. Language icons: HSK, TOEFL, IELTS. You may also need language proficiency, either Chinese, HSK, for programs taught in Chinese, or English scores like TOEFL or IELTS for programs taught in English. Steps to apply. Here's how to apply. Find universities and programs you're interested in. Prepare academic documents, transcripts, passport, and language certificates. Create an account on the official Campus China portal. Submit your application before deadlines, usually between January and April. Students in China, happy grads. So if you want to study abroad in China with full funding and excellent opportunities, the Chinese Government Scholarship could be your gateway. Start your application early, and good luck.